One can feel the drums beating as the beautiful sound resonates in the air with the advent of Goddess Durga on earth. To celebrate her return to earth along with her children Saraswati, Ganesha, Kartika and Lakshmi, Navratri is celebrated. Navratri in Sanskrit means 9 nights, and each day is celebrated to mark Goddess Durga's 9 forms or avatars. The 9 forms of Durga or Navdurga are offered special food and prayers. I will be telling you all the 9 forms of Durga and the special food that is offered to them each day. Day 1. The first form of Goddess Durga is Goddess Shailaputri, who adorns a trishul and a lotus in her hand and is also seen riding a bull. Devotees offer pure desi ghee to the first form of Durga. Day 2. Goddess Brahmacharini. This monastic goddess is a symbol of penance and nobility. She is served a bhog of sugar and fruits on the second day. Day 3. Goddess Chandraghanta, who is fierce 10-armed goddess with anger in her veins. She is served milk or kheer or sweets made from milk. Day 4. Goddess Kushmanda. She is known to create the universe or cosmic egg with her energy and warmth. People observe fast on this day and offer malpua as bhog. Day 5. Goddess Skandamata. She is depicted as a 4-armed deity with lotus in one hand and kamandal and bell in another. This calm serene goddess is offered banana as sign of good health. Day 6. Goddess Katyayani. She blesses a sweet life to the people and is a symbol of true devotion. She is served honey as prasad that signifies sweetness. Day 7. Goddess Kalaratri. She is worshipped and is known to bestow her true devotees with protection from evil spirits and powers. She is served jaggery as prasad on the day. Day 8. Goddess Mahagauri. She is a symbol of deep penance and preservedness. She is offered coconut as a bhog on the 8th day that also signifies life. Day 9. Goddess Siddhidatri. Her form of Shakti signifies knowledge, wisdom, accomplishment and perfection. She is served pomegranate as prasad on the 9th day. If you are fasting on Navaratri, you can also offer food that you will eat to goddess as well. Immunity is paramount during this pandemic time, so if you're feeling weak or uncomfortable in any way, it would be good idea to observe fasting with fruits, water, buttermilk rather than staying hungry for long periods. You can also eat buckwheat roti, fasting rice, dosa from fasting rice, dishes made from sabudana, buttermilk, milk. All of these having a cooling effect on the body. Yogurt, loads of fruits, fruit salad made with papaya, pear and apple. And for those who cannot fast, should abstain from non-vegetarian food, alcohol, onion, garlic and use rock salt instead of common salt for cooking. When you break your fast in the evening or at night, have a light meal. Avoid heavy meals as that may only make it difficult for the system to digest. Some people end their Navratra fast on Ashtamis and some end it on Navami by holding Kanjak or Kanya Pujan. 9 girls are welcomed into the house by washing their feet. They are then seated in a line and served a delicious bhog along with some gifts. The bhog prepared for the Kanjak has around 3 to 4 dishes served on a plate along with gift items. It includes kala chana, suji ka halwa, puri, kheer and 1 sabzi. The same food is offered to goddess as well. So these were all the items that you can offer Ma Durga this Navratri, and if by any chance you are unable to manage or get all these items, it's okay. Don't get worried because she is our mother. She will accept everything that you will offer with utmost love and affection. You only need to offer it with your pure heart. May Ma Durga blesses you all with great health and prosperity this Navratri. If you like this video, do not forget to press like button and subscribe to my channel. Also press notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Jai Mata Di!